Make sure you say everything so we don't get any type of copyright.
What am I saying?
This is official selection. Oh my god.
Down I go.
This is an official selection from Screamfest Horror Film Festival. This shit is called Blackbird Scary Short Horror Film.
That's what it's called.
We finna review it.
That's what we finna do.
Comment. And subscribe.
So let's see, it's 14 minutes. Let's see. Let's fucking see.
Y'all, give money, boy. Y'all.
You don't want none. You don't want none. You don't want none. Smoking on the blunt. Smoking on the blunt.
Go on the leave mother.
Smoking
I just
on
put your
this
feet.
fucking blunt.
Oh look, mira. Somebody's smoking, huh?
Who is this?
I don't know, but he got a
He's
bucket.
fucking pale.
And they got a little red
fire.
light.
There's fire inside of that pail.
That nigga said, what is that? He was like he had a fucking white balloon over his head, y'all. He said, "Yeah, I feel like my ring." You.
Blackbird.
I don't like birds, period.
Oh, my man.
So,
my man got fucked
get
up.
alone a blackbird.
See, that's why I don't ride motorcycles.
Okay, I'm not getting ejected out of my fucking vehicle.
Cause I don't be paying attention to shit. I was like, what the fuck? That's a nice tree. Bam.
Okay, because I stay on my phone changing music and getting lost.
Bitch, I don't know where that's at.
And I be smoking. I'm always relighting my blunt.
Okay, I can't smoke in this fucking air.
I be like, I be on the stereo all the time.
Come on!
Alright. He's walking me back.
My friend, your bike handle light was fucked up. You could have that shit on the ground or something. Make it more believable.
I'm like, what did you run into? What is here? I want to know what happened before that. Maybe a bird. Is that blackbird?
Something's not matching up here. If I get fucked up off my bike, I'm damn sure not riding it. I'm gonna be pissed at my bike.
Can you pick up?
Okay, I'm sick of hearing this shit.
It's OD cold in here. It's snowing outside, you guys. Not
You see it? It's slow.
You can't, but my neighbors just know.
Hey, it's me. Where are you?
It's him.
I've been calling you for hours.
He fell off his bike.
He got fucked up a little bit.
We have a flower delivery we're having this morning. Just give me a call back.
Flower
when you get this,
delivery.
okay?
Smell us flowers.
And listen,
Code word for weed.
we got a problem.
Y'all are like, what the fuck?
But you just gonna walk past me like that? Like you?
Did he not ever see her?
Stop chasing me. Leave me alone.
Girl, so you just toss yourself on the floor? Like, does this man know you? Bitch, take your helmet off. You're like, who can hear you? What is happening right now?
Why is it getting dark? Is there a storm coming?
Is there a storm of ruin? First of all, she out there in a nightgown. What year is this?
Oh.
Who wears nighties like this?
Motherfucking eclipse. Another fat ass eclipse. Know where the moon go?
And why are they staring into it and not going blind? This is not real. I'm looking away, and it's a movie.
It's right from my eyes.
Yeah. So now she on the back of his bike.
Now y'all friends.
What is going on here? Do you notice this?
Y'all ain't say that one word to each other.
She don't even know where you're going. She just on the back of your bike
No.
with a nightgown on out.
She like at this point, it's better than nothing.
First of all, for real,
I lost my shoes, but
it's
I'm
like a
back.
silk muumuu with no sleeves. That's what she got. A silk muumuu with no sleeves on in the back of my bike. First of all, she ain't even been able to understand him because he keep talking to her with his fucking helmet on. Like he got a sock in his mouth. Where are they going? never lived somewhere like this. Like they have no neighbors, no nothing. Look at it. It looks like something burnt down. Oh my goodness. The bottom of her feet are so red. Oh my god. Look, that bitch been out here.
She's been running for days.
On some hot. Like when you outside in the summertime in the street, it's hot as shit outside, and you on the black pavement, barefoot, like, or you at the beach. That's what she was doing. She was walking on the beach.
My man still got his motherfucking mask on. Okay.
Who is this man? Become a matter of husband.
So you're not gonna talk? Solid.
I would not be taking this bitch
Don't
nowhere
fall
with me.
asleep. A blow to the head can cause irreversible damage.
Good God, a piece of weed all in my mouth.
I think I saw flowers.
Look at how this nigga come home. He talking about his bad. I
Oh,
was like,
this
welcome
nigga.
home.
This
Rest
nigga
your
don't
mind.
remember who he is.
Then you will be able to remember.
He just can't get right home. It's okay. Snowden.
There are some things that are best forgotten. It's amazing what you can actually forget.
You can.
Even
a little
if
bit of
I'm
weed. It's
not
amazing what you can
strong.
fucking forget. You can be staring right at it
So overpowering.
and walk right back out and be like, damn.
What are I
Like
going
it is
there for?
impossible.
That's
you
what I
could
wanted
ever
there.
be free of it. Instant your mind.
Everything's gone.
Why don't we just come home?
But you do. You forget.
Fucking remember.
I can't forget.
Her fucking eyes.
I ain't coming for yet. Y'all getting real buddy.
Like she got on his leather jacket and everything.
Now,
Like,
when did this occur? When was this transaction?
What can
and that fire loud as shit.
Apparently they shooting outside.
Snap, crackle, and popping.
Fuck.
I'm not understanding what's going on here. Why are you in bed with this woman? Lord Farquaad, why?
Why must you terrible?
Tootie tootie ball.
Sure car he high.
Scary head.
Whose car? Someone's going outside the house
Talk on this time.
and knocks on the door.
She said, "Be my cheeks today." That's exactly what the fuck she said. She ain't shit. She knew what she was doing out there on that road. She said, "Tilly tilly bomb."
The night birds are chirping. He's inside the house, but you're freaking me out. What are you singing about? None of this shit rhymes.
To visit those who can't sleep. Are you? She's just singing a poem, I'm guessing.
She just saying words.
She says, "I can only speak and sing. I can only sing, speak."
He's coming. Bitch, where's he coming? Where's he at?
Where is he going?
How long do I have?
How long will he stay?
Okay. Will he leave peacefully or not? The fuck?
You stay here.
I'm in distress. He don't know what to say.
Okay, he like, bitch, you want to get the fuck out the bed.
I would have been like, "What language was that?" I don't know what the fuck you said, ma'am.
Makes my new rag itch.
She's like, she been itching. Ew.
Bitch, what you shooting up?
Ew, her neck wet. Her neck wet. Just her neck. Is that her too?
Oh, bitch, you got caught up. Oh, that's where you was running from. Got you. How did he was right there though?
No, it wasn't. She picked it with a
Oh.
con un little pinche one of these. It probably it was this exact one. What type shit is this? And you just happen to run out, girl? You're dressed all up in the fucking hair, booty all out, and she just falls back.
And now you go to the job. You had one job to do. You were almost there.
I'm confused. Well, she fell on him, man. That's why she must have fell on him when he was driving by his bike. I can't.
Maybe that was his dream.
Maybe it's not. Maybe she told us a story within a story. Check that out. Something need to happen within these 14 minutes. Somebody need to die. Some crazy shit need to happen. Like, what the fuck? These are just two weird ass strangers that are being extremely nice with each other for no reason. What the fuck is that? Why that shit look wet?
What's happening here?
Who keeps leaving him messages?
Where are you? I've been calling you for hours.
Why don't you get back to this person? He's clearly concerned.
If you don't know who the fuck you are, sir.
Who's the old man?
Flower delivery we're having this morning. Just give me a call back when you get this, okay?
So he ain't know. So now you listen to this in the middle of the fucking night.
Listen.
The morning is done. It's done past and went.
You done killed my
Ew,
buttocks
what is
already.
that? The rose kid rose.
Oh. He and the other guy must have been the ones that kidnapped her, and he don't remember it. She must be the rose.
Well, what was that stuff on him though? Was that rose thing on him or on her? Ew, that shit look nasty, yo. It was like a well. Is that a well? A well is like when somebody when they brand someone. That's what it looks like. I'm sorry, I didn't notice that. I completely forgot he was gonna put the video along with this clip. Did not know. I'm describing something you clearly know. Sorry about that. Ew, look at his fucking chin. It looks podrido.
Your body's not even the same color, sir. What the fuck?
He looks bleached. And it's not like that right now. Like, it looks like he got sunburn, baby. You need some aloe, boo.
Ew, his eyes are red as fuck.
Oh my god, his face gray as shit. Oh my god, his skin.
He the devil. He the devil.
Hey, look at his back. His shit balled up in the back. Oh,
He got hunchy.
Ew, back.
Get the fuck out my face, you dirty. Oh, I'd have been sick. She's fucked up.
Is that him now?
Nah. Ooh, right on my ass.
Oh, they did brand her. I told y'all. He was like, come on. That's what they call you, Big Bird. You fucking weird ass nigga.
Oh. Oh, bitch.
Look at that. That's why you don't go with strangers, bitch. What the fuck made them want to do that though?
Cause niggas is weird. And that's it?
Like, thank you so much.
That's all we get.